Hello, everybody. Welcome to part two of today's tarot card reading. Uh, we have a very interesting spread today. Kind of a proactive spread, getting to the root of the problem. Um, and I think it's at a societal level, not really so much at an individual level. Kind of a spiritual spread today. And we have luck on our side with this Ten of Pentacles, and yeah, being a bit proactive with, I guess, improving society in general as a whole. So if that's our adversary is not going to be very successful, going to be kind of predictable in what unfolds, in something that's already been established or decided in the past. So yeah, just to summarize that, I'm gonna do a drawing. I've been doing a bit of not very detailed drawings in my book, this sketchbook I have right now. I'm kind of like, I guess halfway through, a little over halfway through. But I just kind of go with the flow. Especially when I always like to do something different. But as far as like doing like a person, that's usually what I do. Always used to think it was so funny how when I first started with my art, how feminine my art was. But here we are. But I always try to go with the flow. It's kind of difficult when you first start, but it's as far as like a career and your life purpose, and improving upon, fine-tuning, all of that, and getting into an artist kind of mindset is sometimes when I don't know what to draw, or I'm just kind of say, well, what am I going to draw next? I just kind of just start drawing like shapes and stuff and just kind of go with that. I think it's kind of very symbolic of an artist's kind of a lifestyle and mindset, and probably something that can transcend just the field of art. So I try not to judge too much if I have drawings that are just kind of simple and not a lot to them. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what this week's tarot card reading drawing is. And if you're wondering, if you watched my other video, part one, I did not do a drawing for my mom and two sisters today. I did not bring my sketchbook. But if I had brought my sketchbook, I probably would have done a drawing for maybe all three of them. So. Okay, so she's got oh no, she's got little lotuses in her eyes. Um, to I guess, to kind of get the spirituality of the lotus, which I thought kind of looked a little bit like fire, kind of a little fire element on the bottom there. So um, we've got a bit of spirituality for the eyes. Um, the Justice card right here is a bit has the cloth over them. Um, and that's also one of the reasons why I like the upright Knight of Swords, is because the horse's face is kind of not detailed, kind of a little bit hidden. Um, so I just thought that was kind of interesting for the animal aspect of that. But anyway, so with the Justice card, obviously the eyes, something in the eyes can represent being fair, maybe not having any sort of prejudgments about a specific individual, or maybe just situation, since that seems to be kind of the theme in our tarot card reading today. But anyway, she's got lotuses for eyes, and I thought they kind of looked like the fire element. Which I guess may be interesting with this this Five of Cups. And maybe somebody who thinks that they're who prides themselves on maybe being at the forefront of maybe a spiritual endeavor. So very interesting. Benja's ready to go. Okay. Very interesting aspect, I think, to that. Vince was laid down. And for her ears, her earrings, I've been seeing a lot of non-structure, I guess, to the plants kind of around me whenever I go on runs, and especially when I go on runs, I see a lot of nature. There's one spot, and it has all these different species of plant. So just in her earrings, kind of hard to tell. I drew just the different species of plants. There's this one plant that's is like kind of poofy, um, and whenever the wind blows, it kind of blows with it. So, uh, and obviously a lot of vines. Um, so yeah, I guess that would be the Ten of Pentacles. Um, and she's got a little cup, and instead of the cup being spilled over, her cup is uh, you got the Knight of Swords. I consider the mouth an air element, the communication, intellect. I guess kind of connected with the brain. Maybe today the eyes are a fire element, and the ears are a pentacle element, and the voice, maybe, and emotions, love and dreams. I guess are the cup, which is interesting because as far as pentacles and like material, earthly possessions, obviously there are things that we have a little bit more sentimentality to. I really like this one coffee cup right here. Um, and then of course I have my aquarium cup here, which I actually got for my mom, but she said it's too small. But anyway, as far as the water element, the suit of cups, um, in today's drawing, very positive, uh, in tune, aligned, all that. Okay. So for the full card, this one I should give you. I was hesitant in drawing a skull. So this is what I drew. Freehand, going with the flow. So let me know what you think it looks like. Since it's the past, we kind of have the mind, the head, which maybe can be maybe the Justice card. It has the crown there. It's kind of like taken into the past, and this little whatever it is, a false eye is what I drew there. Is a part of the past, and so yeah. And yeah, I guess this is my drawing for today. So maybe whatever this obstacle advice in future is, I think maybe it's important that that's something that's happening now. Might be because we need to maybe recognize what's happened in the past, like super past, like first card in the Major Arcana deck card. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for drawing with me. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna go ahead and let my tarot card puppy banjo out. Even though I'm not sure if he knows it's raining. Sometimes he doesn't like to go outside when it's raining. But anyway, thanks for drawing with me, and as always, I look forward to the next tarot card reading. Part 1, Part 2, all that. So yeah, happy Labor Day. I hope y'all have a good one. And I'll talk to y'all later.